Welcome to an advanced watch folder tutorial for Peernet's Document Conversion Service, DCS for short. This video will show you how to change which Logon account is being used for the watch folder service. This is often needed when using the service to convert files that are stored on shared or network folders. If you set up the local DCS admin account during installation, you only need to change the Logon account for the watch folder service. You do not need to change the Logon account for Document Conversion Service, as it is only the watch folder service that needs access to the network folders. To edit the watch folder configuration file, we first need to make sure that watch folder service is stopped. Open the Start menu, click Document Conversion Service, and select Stop Watch Folder Service. Next, you will need to change the Logon account used by watch folder service to an account that can access the network folders. Go to Start, Control Panel, Administrative Tools, Services to edit the service settings. In the Services Control Panel applet, locate the service Peernet Watch Folder Service and double-click it to open its Properties dialog. Under the Logon tab, set the service account to the domain or other account that has access to the network share. This account also needs the Log On as a service right. This right is automatically granted through the service panel when possible. Otherwise, talk to your network admin to add this privilege to the account. Click Apply and OK. Adjusting permissions can be specific to your organization. So if you encounter any issues, please contact our support team and we'll get you up and running as soon as possible. The last setting we will edit in the Services panel is the Startup type. Right-click Peernet Watch Folder Service, select Properties, and change the startup type from Manual to Automatic Delayed. This means that Watch Folder Service will automatically start when the computer is restarted. We have now given the account the required permissions and have allowed watch folder service to run using an account that has access to the network folders that you would like to use. Open the watch folder configuration file by opening the Start menu, clicking Document Conversion Service, and selecting Configure Watch Folder Settings. Scroll down to the watch folder section that you would like to edit. In this case, we will edit the default watch folder section called Convert to TIFF. Enter the URL path to the network location for files you are looking to convert in the input folder. The URL path should include the server name and the network drive location. You must leave the paths for the staging and working folders to a location that is local to your computer. These folders are used by DCS during the conversion process, and since DCS is using the DCS admin account, it cannot access the network shared folders. These folders must be unique to each watch folder section. You cannot use the same staging and working folders for all watch folder sections. Lastly, enter the URL path for the network location for the failed folder, completed folder, and output folder. Once you have changed the folder paths, save the file. It is not necessary to change all folder locations to a network shared location. It may be you only want to change the input folder to a shared pickup folder location. Now when you run the watch folder service, it is able to access the network import folders and pick up any files it finds there. Be sure to check out our Getting Started series for Document Conversion Service, or watch some of our more advanced tutorials to learn how to customize DCS further and achieve optimal conversion performance. We are always available to help with configuration and answer any questions you have about setup or the product. If you haven't done so already, follow the link below and download your free trial.